on the game, Maikala Pirates created like many opportunities. Overall, actually, Pirates like got many opportunities because let's talk about how many times did Marumo Gallant lost the ball. Like it is more than 10 times at this point because like there was a time I was even when I was watching with like Amagent, I was like, nah, Marumo Gallant somehow it is paid to like Baluza like a baller. Or I don't know because the amount of okay it is a thing which they are trying to build from the back, but Sabeko like him Nandi. That's much about. But I come coach watch the coach like with Kamaru Mukala, I think he was confident he believed to the boys about which is something by Ames which like can lose like him because all the players they will give like a ball and then after that like out of the Plubagnese ball mahala and then you don't finish my chances. How many times Apolis won a ball? I don't know, like many times, which is crazy about convincing Alama opportunities lezo.